2009 Honda Pilot with a 3.5 liter. Customer brought it in thinking that the motor was shot because they heard this knocking noise. They took the timing cover off, and you can see the tensioner jumping around real bad. Let's see if I can do this and keep filming here. Quiets it right down. It's just that tensioner that's bad. Much cheaper than putting an engine in it.